Good morning all students. Students, in last class, in exercise 6.2 of chapter 6, algebraic expressions, we did addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. And that day we solved question 1 to 4, and today we will start with question number 5. And we will complete exercise 6.2. Students, today same we will do addition and subtraction, but in this statement form, in this word form, questions are given. Okay, direct question is not given and we are to solve them. Okay, so question number 5 is add 15xy plus x square plus 2. We are to add this to the sum of 11xy minus x square minus 4 and minus 14xy plus 5x square. It means, student, sum of, what they are saying, sum of this one and this one. In the sum of this one, 11xy minus x square minus 4 and minus 14xy plus 5x square, we are to add this one. Okay, so in two steps this question we will complete. First we will add these two terms, and after that in their addition we will add this one. Okay, so step 1. And addition, you know very well, we have done this addition in last class. You can see, student, here in step 1 I have written that one and this one terms in the column method, and here minus 4 is alone, so we are doing addition here. Minus 4 will come as it is. Now minus x square and plus 5x square. Minus x square means this is 1x square. Minus plus, it will be minus. So 5 minus 1, 4 will come, x square will come as it is. And the sign of 4 will be the sign of greater number, means sign of 5. Then 11xy minus 14xy. 11xy means positive, means plus 11xy this is, and minus 14xy. Again minus, plus minus, minus. 14 minus 11, 4xy with the minus sign, because greater number is having minus sign. Now the sum of these two terms is minus 4xy plus 4x square minus 4. And what we are to do in step number 2, their sum we are to add in this 15xy x square plus 2. Students, for your convenience, I have written these 4 rules here. Plus plus will be plus, minus minus will be minus, minus will be plus, plus minus will be minus, and minus plus will be minus. Okay, so now we are to add again these two. I have written in the column method. This is 2, student, plus 2 and minus 4. Plus minus will be minus. So 4 minus 2, 2, and sign of the greater number will come. Now again plus plus will be plus. 1x square, 4x square, it will be 5x square, very simple. Now 15xy, 4xy, plus minus, plus and minus will be minus. 15 minus 4, 11xy with plus sign, because greater number is having plus sign. So your final answer is, so students, here by mistake I have written 4. Here what will come? 3 will come. You can make this 3. This is the 3, because 14 minus 11, 3 will come. And here also, students, 3 will come, and here 12 will come, because 15 minus 3, 12. So your final answer is 12xy plus 5x square minus 2. This was your question number 5. And question number 6 is similar question number 5. So you can try. Now I am taking question number 7. Students, now question number 7. From the sum of means, students, addition from the sum of pq plus p square minus q square and 2p square plus 4q square. Means, student, first of all we are to add these both terms, then subtract 2pq minus q square. It means, first of all, in 2 steps again we will do in this question. First of all, we will add these two terms, and in their answer we will subtract this one. So here I have written these two terms in the column method. In PQ nothing is given in that term, so this space is vacant. Okay. Now again we will add minus q square. It means this is 1q square and 4q square. Minus plus, it will be minus 4 minus 1, 3q square with plus sign, because 4 is having plus sign. Again here plus and plus, both are having plus, it will be plus. 1p square, 2p square, it will be 3p square with plus sign, and this pq will come as it is. So our answer is pq plus 3p square plus 3q square. Now from this we are to subtract 2pq minus q square. Students, here both the terms I have written in column method. Here pq square, 3p square, 3q square, and this is 2pq with positive sign and minus q square. I have written by mistake. Students, this is p square. By mistake I have written q square. This is p square. Okay. So now we will subtract, because we are to subtract now. So we will change the sign. This is the plus sign, so it will be minus. This is minus sign, it will be plus. This is the plus sign, it will be minus. Now 3q square and downside nothing is given, so it will come as it is 3q square with new sign, minus sign. Okay. Now 3p square and 1p square, both are having plus sign. It means 4p square, because plus and plus will be plus, and sign of greater number means 3p square is having plus sign, so 4p square will come with plus sign. Here 1pq and 2pq, this is having plus sign and this is having minus sign. Plus minus will be minus, 2 minus 1, it will be 1pq with a minus sign, because greater number 2 is having minus sign. So this is your answer, 1pq, or only pq you can write, pq plus 4p square minus 3q square. So student, this was your complete question number 7. After question number 7, students, question number 10, what should be subtracted? What should be subtracted from 14xy plus 6xy, 14xyz plus 6xy to get minus xyz plus 7xy? Okay, it means something we are to subtract from 14xyz plus 6xy, then we will get as an answer minus xyz plus 7xy. So student, first of all we don't know what we are to subtract. So here let a should be subtracted from 14xyz plus 6xy. So 14xyz plus 6xy, we are to subtract a. Suppose a we are subtracting, then what we will get? As the answer we will get minus xyz plus 7xy. This is our, we have written this given statement in an equation. Okay. So they were asking what should be subtracted from 14xy plus 6xy. So I have written here, we will subtract a from 14xyz plus 6xy. Then we will get minus xyz plus 7xy. Now students, we will simplify this and we will get the value of a. Students, here to find out the value of a, because a is having minus sign, so we will transfer this a that side. Okay. So here 14xyz plus 6xy, a we will transfer there, it will go with the plus sign. Okay, and this xyz and 7xy we will transfer in this side, so their sign will be opposite. xyz it will be plus xyz and 7xy it will be minus 7xy is equals to a. Okay, what I did students here, a I have transferred that side, right hand side, and minus xyz, 7xy I have transferred this side, and their sign will be changed. Which are having minus sign, it will be with plus sign, and which are having with the plus sign, it will be with the minus sign. Okay. Now student, 14xyz and this is xyz. Both are like terms. So we can add 14xyz and 1xyz. It will be 15xyz. I am doing here directly. And these both are like terms. 6xy minus 7xy. Okay. So minus plus will be minus. Here in rough column, minus 7xy plus 6xy. Minus plus will be minus. 7 minus 6, 1xy with minus sign, because greater number 7 is having minus sign. So what will come? Minus xy, or you can write 1xy. Okay, so this is the value of A. So this we will subtract from 14xyz plus 6xy, and we will get minus xyz plus 7xy. Okay students. After question number 10, students, question number 11. This is very interesting question. The value of P, value of Q, value of R is given. Okay, in the form of algebraic expressions. And we are to show that P plus Q minus R, it will be is equals to 0. So in 2 steps, I will solve this question. First of all, in step 1, I will do P plus Q. Then in step 2, what I will do? In the answer of P plus Q, I will subtract R. And if my answer is 0, then it means we have proved. So first of all, P plus Q, the value of P and Q is given. We will write both the values in the column form and we will add. Here column method I have written. Now start addition. 5y square and 3y square. Minus plus will be minus. 5 minus 3, 2y square with minus sign. Because 5 is having minus sign and 5 is greater number. Here both sign are same. So it will be plus 5xy. Because 3xy plus 2xy. 3 plus 2, 5. Now here plus 2xy and minus, 2x square and minus 5x square. Plus minus will be minus 5 minus 2, 3x square. Sign of 3x square will be sign of greater number, means minus. So this is the value of P plus Q. Now I will write the value of P plus Q first here. Then downside I will write the value of R and I will subtract. Students, you can see here P plus Q value is minus 3x square plus 5xy minus 2y square. I have written upside. Then the value of R minus 3x square plus 5xy minus 2y square I have written downside. Now in the subtraction, you know, we will change the sign. It will be minus, it will be plus, it will be minus, it will be plus. Now students, one thing you can observe here. Minus 2y square, both are same. Plus 5xy, plus 5xy. Minus 3x square, minus 3x square. Now students, as I told, when terms are same and signs are opposite, then they will cancel out each other. Here, one term is minus 2y square and another term is plus 2y square. Terms are same, both are very like terms and signs are opposite. So we can cancel out 0. Here also cancel out 0 and here also cancel out 0. So the value of P plus Q minus R is equals to 0. We have proved. So this was very easy and interesting question. Students, question number 12 is, how much is x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 4 greater than 2x cube plus 7x square minus 5x plus 6? Students, here in both the given equation, they are asking how much this is greater than. It means this one is greater than that one. Then how much this is greater. Okay. So greater than means they are doing comparison. And in the comparison, what we are doing? We are to subtract. So how much this is greater than? It means it is having the greater value than that one. It means this will come upside, x cube minus 2x square plus x then plus 4. and that one will come downside, 2x cube plus 7x square minus 5x plus 6, and we are to subtract. And in the subtraction, as you know, we will change the sign. It will be minus, it will be plus, it will be minus, it will be minus, because both are having plus sign. Now easily students you can operate. Plus 4 minus 6, plus minus minus, 6 minus 4 2, and sign of greater number means sign of 6 minus sign will come, minus 2 will come. Here plus 1 and plus 5x, plus and plus will be plus, 1x and 5x will be 6x with plus sign. Here minus and minus will be plus, 2 plus 7 it will be 9x square with minus sign, because greater number 7 is having minus sign. And here plus 1x cube and minus 2x cube, plus minus minus, 2 minus 1, 1x cube with minus sign. So students, it was your question number 12. Students, in today's class we have solved some of the question of exercise 6.2. Now today you will complete this exercise 6.2. Remaining questions you will try by yourself. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day all.